Hello again, this is Owen. I thought I might as well do a tutorial on the first day as the introduction as well. So I'm going to do a Photoshop tutorial on the letterpress effect for text. Now, I'm sure we'll see some press text effect. I'm just going to show you whatever it looks like on Google. So here's one from line 25. This is from Chris Spooner. He's a well-known designer. There's his text or letterpress text effect. So I'm going to do something similar enough. So I'll open I was going to say Facebook because it was on the web page, but here's Photoshop. So open Photoshop, new document. I'll do the YouTube size 1280 by 720. I already have a gradient color set up here, so just simple light and dark one. Text, I'm going to use Helvetic because it's my favourite font and it's just so perfect. So just type in EoinDesign. I'm going to center that if you just click this button here and this button here after selecting the background. Select your text layer, and I already have the style made up here, so I'm going to just click that and then I'll go through what it's actually doing. So as you can see, there's the letterpress effect already on the text. It just looks lovely. So what that's doing is putting on a white drop shadow. Make sure you change this to normal, because usually it'll be on multiply. So change that to normal. I have it on white for my letterpress style. Change the opacity down to 50% and make sure the distance is turned down to 1 and the size is turned down to 1, because if it's not, then it just looks so then I'll put that back to 1, and then the size, if you put that any bigger, it just looks disgusting too, so back down to 1. And then another thing about this is the inner shadow. Make sure the blend mode is put to overlay. That's standard multiply too. But the black, I always put the opacity to 100 for my letterpress. Just keep the angle as at 120. For this, I always have the distance as 2. Therefore it'll give you a little bit extra depth inside the text, or what it looks like, the indent. And then the size is 6 because that just gives you the perfect smoothness for the inner shadow on the indent of the text. And then finally, just to top it off, I just put in a gradient. Simple gradient, pretty much the same one that I'm using for the background. And that's about it really, just 90-degree angle. Yeah, it's just all standard there for the gradient. And then it leaves you with text like that. That's what I'm going to be using for the intro of each one of my videos. You've probably seen at the start of this video. Just something simple, lovely, tidy looking and professional looking too. So that's me out with this tutorial anyway. So I suppose I'll make one, what is today? It's Sunday. I guess I'll make another video on Tuesday. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.